Hey there, 276. You lucky duckies don't have anything due for the following week as part of a Thanksgiving break. Now, I understand where Thanksgiving falls over the course of, it's not this session, but it's next session. But because of the way the sessions break, and because of the way that the content for the vector portion of this particular chapter breaks, what I wanted to do was the following. Number one was to have one session, that's this one, where you do not have anything due. So that, number one, if you have the radio challenge still outstanding, or if you have the chapter 6 exercises still outstanding, I was going to give you an opportunity to do those. In addition to that, if on the chapter 5 exercises I had given you the usual piece of feedback: make these changes, message me, repost them, earn as many as half the points back. There are still a few of those outstanding. So if you have the chapter 5 redo portion, if you have the chapter 6 either redo or the chapter 6 to submit, you have to get those in. And if you can do those, you can be comfortably done for the week. So congratulations, that's a break from the ordinary content there. This would, however, be my suggestion, would be, if you really want to make that break the most useful, this is what I would do: is I would continue with the session portion for 7 that gives you the vector half of the chapter. When we are out of your break here, the next thing you have due is on the 30th. The 30th and the 7th are the very last 2 sessions for class. That doesn't give a lot of time if you run into any issues with your vector stuff. So just in case, what I would have you do is the following. Sometime in your luxurious break time of a week here, let one eye wander over there to your textbook and just give it a looky-loo. See whether or not you're going to be okay with the vector portion. I argue that if you're okay with the array portion, a vector is just a sizable array. I don't mean big sizable, I mean one that is resizable. So all of those things are true. All of those things you can mull over when it comes to how you would like to manage your time moving forward. The other thing that you might contemplate is you can see everything that is due for you between here and the end of the semester. I know that all of us instructors give all of you students this huge shovelful of work as you move forward here. My suggestion is, if you would like to start working ahead, if you would like to get that project out of the way a week early, for example, these offset weeks give you an opportunity to do that. I, for one, am a big fan of this because you can get the vector list project off of your plate. You can get C++ off of your plate so that you have more time to devote to, your dozens of other instructors who are like, I'm going to take up all of your time. Every other instructor be damned. So that is what to expect here for this session. Catch up. And if you've already caught up, look forward. And as always, message me if you have any questions.